Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Check Telegram is updated and you're logged in. Next, inspect the device network, toggle Wi-Fi and mobile data, disable airplane mode, and test a browser. If you use a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily to isolate the issue. Once done, reboot the app and the device. Rebooting often clears transient socket or DNS problems. Make sure you note any error messages for the next steps. You now dig deeper, change DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 and flush the device DNS cache. This fixes name resolution issues. Then access your router, restart it, and check firmware and firewall rules that could block Telegram ports. Use ping and traceroute toward core, Telegram, org or the IP shown in logs to spot packet loss or routing loops. Once you identify a hop or firewall block, note the time and symptoms to coordinate with your ISP or network admin. You apply the remedial steps. Restore correct DNS, adjust or disable firewall rules, update router firmware, and reconfigure or remove VPN and proxy settings. If the app behaves oddly, reinstall Telegram and restore messages from backup. This clears corrupted local state. After changes, verify by sending messages, making a voice call, and checking sync across devices. If problems persist, gather logs, traceroute output, and time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.